Alright legends, day 3 on Gayana Island. I'm going to go for a hike with a guide. You have to go with a guide because all that people go missing and all that stuff. So anyway, catch up with the guide and see how we go. Alright legends, yeah. There you watch, it's a pretty windy old morning. Tide's up. A lot of rubbish. A lot of rubbish in the water. Hopefully in the future everyone can play their part. Try and clean the place up. But there is guys out there trying to clean it all up. Chelsea and I had a go at it yesterday. Oh, look at these waves crashing up. Yeah, Chelsea and I had a go at it yesterday. Just tried to do our little bit. Yeah, Chelsea ended up with a whole kayak full of rubbish. Yeah, it's pretty sad really. So, anybody out there, please try and play your part and don't chuck rubbish in the water. It's not good for the environment. It kills all the coral and it kills all the animals. Anyway, enough of that. Giddy up. Yoo! There's the fellas cleaning up. On you lads. Good job. Alright baby.
Bye.
Bye honey.
Bye.
Here we go.
Okay?
Only sometimes you can see a green snake around here. It's been a steep climb. I'm absolutely puffed. Shouldn't have had that big breakfast. Hopefully get to see a proboscis monkey. Hopefully not a snake. So we're still climbing. There is a lot of mosquitoes up here. I just put some bit more mosquito cream on. Don't want to get dengue fever or malaria. Oh, it's hot. Jeez.
Hello.
So we made it to the top.
Yeah.
Absolutely tired. Yeah, that's as far as we can go. Very cool. Very tiring. Very hot. Cheers. Yeah, she's a bloody steep climb. You can see why you need a guide. This is just a little bit and then it just drops down. Yeah, definitely good for you. Glad I haven't bumped into any snakes yet. Fingers crossed, touch wood. I just pointed out a spider in the tree. He's like, oh, watch out, that's very dangerous. Like, yeah, Korean lady was like, we got bigger spiders in Korea. And he was like, you go first. I was like, okay, I'll go first. Jungle trekking to Borneo. Jungle trekking to Borneo.
Oh, I forgot to say.
This is called tonga tali.
Yeah, tonga
boil
tali.
it up and drink it.
Yeah.
It gives you big muscles.
Yes, more stronger. Can take picture?
And there's a
Uh-huh.
yeah,
It's
cool.
so small.
Naughty monkeys! So here we are up at the Sunset Bar for bloody sunset cocktails.
Happy hour, mate.
Happy hour. Had a good day, climbed the mountain. That was exhausting. Been out snorkeling. Yeah, I've just ordered a Long Island iced tea. Had one the other night, it was great. And what did you order too?
Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule. They got another drink called the AK-47 I might try after. But, yeah. So,
Never gonna eat.
Never going to go for
Freaking
dinner.
starving.
Yeah, we're starving. We went without lunch today, so we're going to pig out tonight, maybe get a dessert. And, yeah, no, it's been good. Alright, cheers guys. Hey legends, so what I'm about to show you is some drone footage of where we're staying and the resort across from us, which is Gayana Island Resort. The only thing, it's a really nice resort from what I've seen on the drone, but the only thing is they don't have the coral, which you got all the fish and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so you pay for that extra. If you want to snorkel and stuff, you definitely go here. If you want to chill out, relax, walk on the sand, all that kind of stuff, you go over the other one. But yeah, yeah, we've had a really good lunch today. We've had a good day. It's been a bit of rain. It has rained a fair bit, but that's life. That's what it is. That's what happens. But no, it's pretty cool. The water was a bit murky today. We went for a snorkel. That was okay. I found some sort of where they plant all the coral and stuff. That was pretty interesting. I would have put that video up already, I reckon. But no, it's been good. It's been really good. Yeah, I rate it. Cheers guys. Thumbs up.